Our dear brother and sister, uh, this is the program that we're going to present it to you today is very exciting. Let's see what do we have. Bible University of the Universe, and we're going to present knowledge no ending. Knowledge no ending. And it is understanding that we all would admit that knowledge certainly that is so wide and so much that for us to learn, right? But under this knowledge no ending, we have the topic is this is not an accident. This is the topic for today. This is not an accident. Uh, in our life normally, we if we don't stop and pay some attention to so many things around us, and we might not learn so many uh, so many things that is out of our understanding. We never be able to understand. But if we pay some attention, we will find out some of the thing that is definitely to prove it to you that is not an accident, is God the Creator for His purpose that He created everything. So let's see that the Hubble telescope. We all learn about it. That is America that the one that create this big gigantic Hubble telescope and send it to outside of the space and let it stay uh, in the orbit so that this giant telescope can take so many pictures in the universe and send it to for us to see. So let's see the picture that this giant Hubble telescope take this the universal in in the galaxy. Okay, next picture. Next picture, we can see that this picture is that so many uh, so many star and perhaps the moon, and over here we have so many what so many star like Mercury. uh, Let me see. Next one is what Venus, and then our Earth. So our Earth is ranking number 3 in terms of closer to the sun. So as we know, the closer to the sun is the hotter the temperature is very hot. So when you look at this picture here, that you see the Mercury is in the front, closer to the sun, so that Mercury would have the temperature about 800 degree, and next one Venus, the temperature is 870 because the size of the Venus is bigger than the Mercury, so it got very hot, 870 degree. Can you imagine that when we bake cake in the oven, it's very hot. We use temperature about 450, but that is really hot already. But talking about this 870 degree, and no way that we the living can survive in that kind of temperature. And then do you know that our earth is how many degree? Is averaging is 58 and 60 degree. So this is something that is amazing, that from 800 something degree, that our earth is so comfortable temperature. So and then the one behind the earth is will be Jupiter and Mars and Jupiter. So they are too cold. there are minus, way. So we don't want to live in the cold temperature. And for the temperature that we have, averaging 58 to 60, it's just perfect temperature that we love it. And but this, do you know, is it an accident to happen like that? No way, it's not an accident. So you see, is no way. It's because the God, the Creator, put this earth right there so that we can live in on this earth. You see, that temperature is so amazing. So from this point, we know that this is not an accident. It's purposely the earth is there. So many other example, if we pay attention, they are not an accident because God created that way. So from this point, we believe that God the Creator. And let's see our scripture here. Our scripture. Okay, Psalm 19, chapter 19, 1. To the chief musician, a psalm of David. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament show his handiwork. This is definitely the handiwork of God. God has purpose for everything, and he put everything in a proper place. Would you believe that? Is not an accident for sure. Thank you.